Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making kimchi. To start, slice your NAPA cabbage into 4 pieces and remove the stems. Wash, then add lots of salt. When adding the salt, make sure each cabbage leaf is salted. Peel the daikon radish and slice into strips. Place daikon into a medium-sized bowl. Roughly sliced green onions, roughly chop a medium-sized onion, add it to your food processor along with garlic cloves. Now start grinding your onions and garlic. Every 30 minutes, turn the cabbage over to salt evenly. I did this for a total of 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, rinse in cold water and drain. Add water to a pan and add glutinous rice flour. Mix and bring to a boil. Stir and cook for a few more minutes until it's translucent. Let it cool at a room temperature. Add muscovado sugar and mix. The onions and garlic mixture into a large mixing bowl. Add fish sauce. Add the porridge. add Korean chili powder, mix in the daikon and green onions. Coat the NAPA cabbage with the mixture and add to a jar to begin fermentation. Press in to remove excess air or bubbles. I recommend not to fill the jar. You will see what happened in the next clip. After 2 days of fermentation, water accumulated up to the brim. Then it explodes. You'll know it's fermented when you see some bubbles or excess water and a sour smell. Kimchi lasts 1 week after opening at room temperature. It stays fresh much longer, about 3 to 6 months in the refrigerator. I hope you like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you!